Hey y'all, today we will see how to use the VLOOKUP function in Excel. Let's quickly take a look at an example. Let's say that you have a list of data. In this case, we have the date in the first column, we have the quantity in the second column, and in the third column we have the amount of sales for those quantities for a particular date. Now, what you want Excel to do is that if you type a date here, you want Excel to spit out the results for the corresponding date in these two columns. Now, the simplest way to do that is using the VLOOKUP function. Let's look at what you need for the VLOOKUP function formula. So, the formula is equal to VLOOKUP. You need the lookup value, which is going to be the date that you want Excel to look up for you. The table array, that is the reference table that you want Excel to get the value from. The column index number, that is the column number from where the Excel will fetch the data from, and finally the range lookup, which is going to be the exact match or an approximate match. Now let's look at this example in action. So you type equal to VLOOKUP. Okay, the lookup value will be this date here, comma, table array, that is your reference table, is going to be this entire table. So select the entire table. As soon as you have selected the entire table, make sure that you hit F4. This is because you want to lock the reference table in case if you move your formula down to other cells. Then hit comma, column index number, that is going to be your first, second column, because you want quantity and quantity is in the second column. You will hit 2 for the second column, and then comma, do you want an approximate match or you want an exact match? So in this case we will enter 2, which is for the exact match. So there you go. So on the 1st of January you sold 69 quantities, which is what Excel has pulled up for you here. Now if you copy this formula into other cells, you should see the corresponding values populated as well. Now you want the sales data. So once again equal to VLOOKUP, lookup value, once again this is going to be your date, comma, the table array is going to be your entire table. Make sure you lock the reference table by hitting F4, comma, this time the column index is going to be number 3, 1, 2 and 3, which is where the sales figures are. Hit comma, and then once again hit 2 for exact match. So there you go. On the 1st of January you made a total sales of $583. Now you can drag and copy this formula into all the other cells. Let's look at another example where VLOOKUP might come in handy to you. So let's say that you have the list of 50 states of United States and you have their abbreviations. Now a lot of time you may want to just be able to type in the abbreviation here like AK, and you want Excel to spit out the full name of the state. So again we will do this by using the VLOOKUP. The formula is equal to VLOOKUP. The lookup value this time is going to be AK, comma, table array, once again the entire table. Make sure you hit F4 to lock the reference table, comma, column index is going to be the second column, and the range lookup is going to be exact match once again. So there you go. Now if you change this to CO, you should get Colorado. If you change this to AL, you should see Alabama. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you. Hit like if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want an update as soon as I upload a video, hit that bell button once you're subscribed. Thank you.